It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
And I'll probably do another video for that because that will take me a while. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. So today we are basically doing just a little vlog, short vlog. This morning I did all my skincare, tidy up the house a bit, not clean, just tidy up. Had a little breakfast, my tea, my how do you call that, my fruits, and now I'm drinking my water. It's basically gloomy outside here right now. I will show you in a minute. Really gloomy. I'm supposed to be meeting a friend today, but I'm still cooped up in the house because we don't know about this weather right now. We don't know what is going on, but it's really rainy, and I don't know if I'm really going out, but I want to go out because I want to step out of the house. Especially if you are doing vlogmas, you do not want to be just be in the house because your mental will be effed up. So I'm trying to get out of the house a little bit. Budget wise, not ideal, but I have to. I'm watching some vlogmas content here, just ideas. I'm watching Kelechi. I haven't watched her in a while, Kelechi, and she's speaking about content, how to plan your vlogmas content the entire month. So I'm watching that. Yeah, so I have already fixed my bag. Let me show you outside how it looks, and then let me show you my bag. It's basically let me show you how outside is looking right now. It's not so, see, it's raining. When you are in the house it's okay, but if you are going outside in this rain, not so good. So I have my bag here. I just put on a clothes, my mask, because we're supposed to go in the beach. Dumb idea, but we want to be at the beach or at the cafe. This is my phone. I have on a swimsuit, a little bag, just a couple of things, and yeah, not much, but I'm just waiting for her to tell me what to do. But still, I think if she cancels, I'm still going to go because I've already changed and the transport is coming. I need something on my lips because it's dry AF. So we are going to do that. I need to put some stuff on my lips. I don't want to make up. I'm not in the mood to make up. Just going to go with a bare face. And let me show you what I'm wearing because it's pretty cold. I'm wearing my I'm not dressed in pink, just a short, like a pink short, a pink top, just feeling pink. I have my Caravelle watch. This is my Bulgari bracelet. This is my Cartier bracelet, and this is just a normal bracelet. I just like to put it together. It's really cute. And this is a little ring, my ring that I'm selling on my website. I also have this type also, which I'm selling on my website. You can go check. So I love this one so much. I'm actually going to wear this because I have a Louis V earring in my silver color, so I want to put both silver and gold on me. And I have a little my Chanel bag. big Chanel bag. And then I have my little cardigan because it's really cold, which I'm going to bring with me. Ok, avec déjà une fume au camélie normal?
Oui.
Yeah, ok.
Avec juste des frozen avec une
Giant free, yeah. C'est no high and free, mais c'est pareil, non? Pas modèle, non? How are you? You sitting today? I thought you were not here. It's cold there. So which one is best here? The first one is the first one. Oh, it's a puree with juice. Strawberry? Yeah, but I want to taste another one too.
So like, so you want this one?
I want this too.
Yeah,
Two frozen. And then it's okay. I'll get that two frozen and then one normal.
One normal?
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you. I'm just waiting for my friend. At Dolce Vita I just ordered a daiquiri and we'll see. What did I eat today? Oh, I only had an egg sandwich. Yeah. Don't have much to do, but I'll be vlogging at the beach.
I have a silver but tu haban mo wala to yan you see like
Silver
it is haban
bansi.
like lamazon the bulk of the car is a bandol rubber silvery stuff lah silicone whatever but sa like course
You're finished.
Upani ka ba buff
You can't do anything.
Keep me kuma me mochi we sounds good.
Look at me, I'm vlogging.
But I think your business will pick up now in December.
Yeah, if you have like things people.
I
can't even order. Mo pan sa me ka even order ko uno aki pi avec my shipping la.
No, mo kon les autres move. Après je peux
Man la pe kaya rampage la.
Oui, mon petit Dieu, je fais la machine de quelque chose pour la case.
Dala recently.
Ma fille, lemon mon fille.
La again now.
Mais ça moi passe quelque chose pour chawasi yo.
You did?
Oui, moi chawasi yo my tripping à nous de madame pour nous comme ça moi c'est.
I went to ki mette lo side. Et ti moun ti kote nou pale pou nou base my shipping. Par exemple, mon père riye. Et from ki mette like something. Doti mette and use. I don't know what to make it. My shipping get problems on manifest. So I stick with the system, whatever. Doesn't matter. Et ti moun de hodil de temps. See how ou ka gay zot parcel to them.
C'est ça.
O system la pa man se pa mon problem.
Zot pat ki mwen ya zot in kasa ba di Seychelles mwen pa konen. But
Yeah.
Voilà, un, deux, trois.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, going.
Aku bukan,
Nice.
aku mau suruh kita fotokan kamera kita.
oui,
But
professional cameras. Mais ça marche pas faire quelque chose comme de la vie, pas pour vraiment vivre. On a un petit lot de la vie.
Trying to put a toilet. This is the, see, mon père entré là right now. Complete madness. Look at this.
We're doing it!
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Ukone, look at us acting all crazy on a Thursday. This bitch convinced me to come to the water with this rainy day. Like, let me show you me under the, I'm all wet under the, see, who does that? Who does that? Like, look at her. Where is she? Where is she? There she is. Oh my god, I love this. What's going on? Wait for the waha. Mon père will get mad. Can I put you on my video? What's your name?
I'm Leo,
Leo from
Philippines.
Philippines.
Welcome to Philippines.
No, you're not in Philippines. You're in where? Where are you from here?
Mobix too.
No, Seychelles.
Yeah, I'm living in Mobix. From Seychelles. Yeah.
Thank you, Leo.
Either like munching over there for like so calm down. Okay.
Mune. Hey, Mune. I need to see you in your dress.
I'm back.
just me, motherfucker. Please, please, please.
Now I'm gonna head back home. I just wanted to give you a little update on what I'm currently doing. I'm actually currently editing this video just to get a little head start when you're sitting down. Haven't even taken a shower yet. If you
Okay guys, so I'm home, back home. I have already showered. I'm supposed to be doing my skincare now. I'm using this L'Oreal Revita Lift Laser Removal. So I'm using that. Just a tiny bit. I always use a tiny bit. And then I will use my tea tree moisturizing nutmeg. So this is what I'm using for now. This L'Oreal moisturizing, like, no, Red Vita Lift Laser, it's the best I've ever used in my life. Like, it acts like a serum, but it's more like for me it's more like a moisturizer. And then I have this moisturizer nutmeg skin. It has tea tree mattifying moisturizer, so this is really good for the skin. Yeah, so basically I came on here to end this video. I had a really fun day today, really fun spontaneous day. I love spontaneous stuff. If it's going to benefit me, I really love this. Obviously I feel dehydrated because I'm drinking a lot of water, but this was the most fun time for me today. I did not a lot. I met with my friend. That's what I love. Whatever you like, if you're my friend, I will always come here and support you. If you love to drink, if I'm in my have a little drink era, I will meet you. If I'm not drinking, I will tell you I'm not drinking at this point. If you want to go out and be crazy, if I'm in my crazy era, I will come. If you are my friend, if you want to go do stupid stuff like go to the beach, go to the sea, dance in the rain, I will always be here. If you are wants to cry, you're going through it, I'm always gonna be here, because that's the type of friend I am. If I don't feel good and I want to help you, I will try to help you, but after some point I will crawl in my little hole and heal myself, and then I will come back. But if you need help at this moment, I'll be there. I think a lot of my friends think I'm like that, because if I want to help you with something, I'm always gonna be here. That's why I don't have a lot of friends, because I want to keep up with all my close friends. Each of my friends have different issues in life, so I just want to be there for them. Like, if you see that I'm not there for you, I've tried my best to be there for you. If life is not lifing for you, I will be there. If you are going through something mentally, physically, spiritually, or a breakup or problem in your relationship, I will always be there and listen, because I love to listen to people. It gets to me sometimes because I have a lot to process in my brain, because I work a lot, I have a business, I have a lot going on. But if I need to listen to you at this moment, I'm always gonna be here, because that's the type of friend I am. But if I shut down completely, best believe I'm going through it. So yeah, what I was saying is, if things are going not good for you, I'm always gonna be there. Always gonna be there for you, because I love my friends. If some of my friends are feeling some type of way towards me, maybe I'm hindering their growth, I'm not helping them grow, you can remove me from their life. I'm not going to feel some type of way. But if you are feeling like I'm helping you, I love that. That's what I want, because life is short. Life is like really short. We are losing people every day, close friends, close family. All we have to do is just mend relationship. If someone needs help, we're gonna be there. That's all that's all I feel all of us are going through right now. I need to be with my mom, my family right now. I haven't seen my mom in a while. I need to see her. I need to see, I don't know, maybe my brother, my sister, my father especially. I need to book schedule a call to my father, because I need to talk to my father. I just like to connect. I love memories. I love family stuff, but at the same time I love my alone times, if you know what I mean. Anyway guys, so I've been rambling. Thank you guys so much for coming on in this video. I need to edit this now before it gets too late and post, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. Mwah.
The town.